How to import DGN file into Autodesk Civil 3D. Complete beginner tutorial 2026. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to import a DGN file into Autodesk Civil 3D without losing your layers or geometry. If you have received a MacroStation DGN file from a client and don't know how to open it in Civil 3D, this step-by-step guide is exactly what you need. Let's get started. What is a DGN file? A DGN file is a native drawing format used by Bentley MacroStation and Open Roads Designer. Many highway, railway, and infrastructure projects use DGN file. Fortunately, Civil 3D include the DGN import command, which converts supported DGN geometry into DWG format. However, some advanced Bentley objects may not convert completely. Always begin with a new drawing using the correct template. Save your drawing before importing the DGN file. Type DGN import in the command line. Press enter. Browse to your DGN file and click open. The import DGN setting dialog appear. Press OK. Depending on the file size, the import may take a few seconds. After it's finished, use zoom, enter, extend, enter to locate the imported drawing. That's how you import a DGN file into Autodesk Civil 3D. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more Civil 3D, AutoCAD and surveying tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.